Welcome. This is Attorney Jack from Schrold Law Center, and I'm here to let people know if you are a relative or a property owner that has been through a foreclosure action in the last few years. Did you know that there's excess funds potentially just sitting in an account somewhere that's owed directly to you? That's right. Over the last few years, we've been helping hundreds of people out that never knew after a foreclosure that there were funds available. Let me explain for a moment how this works. You might have been through a foreclosure action due to an unpaid tax situation in the county or the state, or due to a mortgage foreclosure. In these situations, normally the people leave the property, and at some point in the near future, there is an auction sale. If the amount of the funds on the final bid of the auction are greater than what was owed on the property, those excess funds are due back to the property owner or their heirs. Most of the time, unfortunately, the county, the trustees, or the clerk's office does not do a great job in terms of reaching out or trying to find the people that this money is owed to. We figured this out a few years ago when we were helping people through probate, wills and trusts, and other legal actions in these counties. We couldn't believe what we saw. We're talking hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars that goes unclaimed. That means the money eventually goes back to the clerk or to the state and never gets back to the original property owner or their heirs. So we decided to do something about it. So over the last few years, my law firm has done the research, the evaluation, and has taken on these claims to assist family or property owners to be able to go through the legal process, whether it's a state that requires you to go through the court system or trustees privately, to be able to access those funds and get them back to where they need to be. That's right. This is a real thing. Remember, there are many times that people paid their mortgage or their tax liens for years, and then at the last minute, due to some unfortunate situation or a death, the mortgage or the taxes were not paid. But the equity is still there in the property. So when it gets sold, there is a substantial difference between the auction price and what was owed on the property. That money should not go to the state. It should go back to the rightful owner of the property or their heirs. So we can assist you as a law firm to be able to do everything that's needed in regards to legal filings in the county, appraisers, working with trustees, and everything that needs to happen so that these checks do come back and the money is refunded back to where it needs to go. There is absolutely no upfront money or cost for you. The law firm takes care of any other attorney fees, clerk fees, or any type of assessments that may need to be done to be able to access these funds. Reach out to us today if you or a family member has gone through a foreclosure in any state in the United States. We can do the homework, the due diligence to determine if you are owed any money on that property. You can reach out to us on this website or check the description of this video. I look forward to helping you or the rightful heirs of that property. Have a great day.